Hey Jeff, here is the pictures I'm going to share with you from the inspection we did on the house. You can see right here there's just a bad concrete repair. I mean, if people have done a lot of things in their home themselves, it looks like, and they haven't done it properly. But as you can see right up here, they're going to have an issue with, how, depending how big that is, with definitely roaches getting in, mice and rats being able to fit through there. So that just needs to get done correctly, just patched correctly. If you're going to have the house painted or so, we could do it just a temporary patch here, fix this, seal it, and then you can have the exterior company that's going to do the stucco again on that house. Go ahead and do it correctly all the way. Here's your main problem. One of the main problems is all the vents. You got about 11 of these vents. As you can see, they're damaged. Um, a rat's going to be able to get through there. Mice is going to get through there. Roaches are going to get through there. Lizards kind of deal. And this is a $1.50. $1.81, I think, at Home Depot. These are really for soffit vents. They're not for crawl space. They're too soft of an aluminum with a mesh behind it to keep insects out. If you didn't have any money and you could do this yourself, you could do a temporary job and get it nice, and it'll last maybe a year or two, and then it would be destroyed again with the landscapers, with the weed eaters. So this is not, it's a temporary fix. You're going to spend a half a day drilling holes, doing it yourself, but it solves your problem. But obviously, it's not the right thing to do. Let me go over here. Here we go. Here's your main crawl space door. They put an aluminum screen over the block and they bolted that in, which is not adequate. I mean, a rat's going to eat through it. The landscapers are going to destroy it. I'll send you a link with our page, our proofing page, where it shows you how we do it. All the videos are there to show you how we actually do this with an aluminum coated stock, where it can't be damaged. It's going to last about 20 years without having an issue. Here we're looking at stuff like this in the corner of the house, where roaches over time, this doesn't happen in a day. This is year after year. They can easily just sliver in through there. Hopefully this is intact. We haven't seen all of them, but that's something else that you would have to get repaired. Holes inside the home, if they're making it in through the crawl space, they're going to find their way in. So stuff like this just needs to get repaired. What we're looking at is your garage. You can see down here, see that light? Well, a rat's easily going to be able to get through there. It isn't level. I would recommend you call a garage door company, have them put a new seal at the bottom and a seal kit all the way around. As you can see, all this light, anything is going to get in there. Roaches are going to get in there. There isn't a pest control company on the planet that's going to stop you from walking into your garage and seeing roaches, and all the spraying in the world isn't going to stop that. So, that's what I would recommend highly. To get a garage door company who's very proficient at doing this. Obviously, the garage is broken. We can see here. So you're going to need that done anyway. Have them put a new seal kit at the bottom, a new rubber seal at the bottom. If the concrete is damaged, level it out, fix it, and get a seal kit all around the door so that that light isn't seen, or at least maybe 95% of it is excluded. Here you have inside that garage, obviously there's this concrete damage. This we can repair with concrete, no problem. Looks like they've had to do plumbing repair where this was there before, they broke it, never did it, but it's bugs are going to get in. There's another one at the bottom around there too, which could be repaired with concrete, that we can do for you there. This is behind the refrigerator. This is your subfloor. This is what your actual floor is. I don't know how much you're going to be doing, and I guess you're going to remodel this kitchen, possibly soon. When you do, all of this needs to be fixed and sealed. You need to be really get on the contractors, because what they'll do is they'll not seal anything that says it's never going to be seen. Nobody's going to see it. Why are we fixing it? Well, bugs eventually are going to make it into the structure, and then they'll be making it into the kitchen, and you're wondering why you have roaches in your kitchen when you have a pest control company. It's just simply not everything can be stopped. So we have to do the best that we can to seal the house. Obviously, you can see there's foam down here. They've already tried to fix this. but obviously they were having problems, and you can see this one here. This can be done. It will help a little bit, but it's not going to make a major difference. So I'm sending you a link. I already sent you the quote. Too much what has to be done to that crawl space as seal as much as possible outside and fix that concrete in there. So if you know anything, just give me a call back. Let me know. Thanks. Take care.